Now, keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
Good morning and welcome to Wednesday. The time is 6:40. When you get up this morning and step outside, you will notice the gray. These are low clouds across green country, but as we work our way throughout Wednesday, this area of gray, these clouds will gradually thin out. Temperatures, though, will be remaining cool for today with highs in the 40s. 37 degrees, and there is somewhat of a wind chill this morning, so you want to dress warmly. 32 is what it feels like. We have a north wind between 5 and 10 miles an hour. It's 36 in Bartlesville, 37 Coffeyville, 36 Tahlequah, upper 30 showing up toward Okmulgee, Henrietta, and McAllister. The strongest wind we will see today will be what's going on right now, and it's really not overly breezy. North wind near 5 to 10 miles an hour, less wind at noon as well as this afternoon. So this area of gray, these clouds will gradually thin out as we work our way throughout the day. No rain showing up anywhere near green country, a light north wind at noon, and you'll barely notice the wind toward 5 p.m. and showing a lot of sunshine, a lot of blue sky across Oklahoma toward 5 p.m. So your day ahead, the clouds will hold down temperatures, especially during the morning. Mid-30s through 9 a.m., 40 at noon, and seeing more blue sky toward 5 p.m. and 44 degrees. The 7-day forecast, we're watching Friday. That's when we'll see a cold front moving in during the morning, so colder weather for Friday. Then for the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, highs near 40 and lows in the 20s. I purchased this snow sled about a month ago. It's still sitting at the house, and some folks around green country would at least like to see a little bit of snow this winter.
That's a pretty cool
I was going to say, that's a heck of a sled.
High tech, George.
Yeah, now we just need some actual winter weather to move in.
Certainly, at some point this winter, you'll get to use it.
Hopefully.
So some folks will want some snow. We'll see what happens.
Not,
just a matter of
time. To get through March and April.
Take it to Colorado. You can use it there. Thanks, George.